Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce eye strain with F.lux step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the F.lux software from the official website. Locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer to launch the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open the F.lux application. F.lux may ask for permission to access your location for optimal lighting settings. Allow access to help customize your screen's color temperature. Afterward, you will see the main interface with options to set your preferences. Adjust the slider to set the color temperature for daytime use. A recommended daytime setting is around 5500 Kelvin for natural light. Next, set the color temperature for nighttime use. A warmer setting of around 3400 Kelvin is ideal for reducing eye strain in low light. You can also set a schedule for automatic adjustments. Find the settings or location options to input your current city. This helps F.lux determine sunset times for optimal color adjustments. In the transition settings, customize how quickly F.lux changes the screen's color. Select options for greater comfort, like gradual transitions. Explore the movie mode for undisturbed viewing if you're watching films. In addition, you can fine-tune specific apps in the app settings. If you work late, enable the dark mode for further strain reduction. Once all settings are adjusted, monitor how your eyes feel over a few days of use. Return to the app for any further modifications as needed. F.lux should now help you enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.